Dear children, now we are going to discuss a new topic, that is rational numbers. The first chapter, rational numbers. What are rational numbers? So before going to that, before going to discuss about rational numbers, let us discuss what we know, that is natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we count any objects or any some benches, books, okay, pens, pencil, like that, when we count from 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that we count. We won't go for a 0, just we count from 1. So those are the counting numbers are natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers. So what are those? That natural numbers is denoted by n, and these number set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so on. So how many numbers are there? There are so many numbers, infinity, many numbers they have. Okay. If you add 0 to this natural number set, we get whole numbers. We get whole numbers. What are those? So this whole number starts from 0. Whole numbers start from 0. It is denoted by W, and those numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, like that. So these are the whole numbers. This whole number set is denoted by W. And you know that some numbers are positive numbers and some numbers are negative numbers, and okay. And what are these positive and negative all together? So these numbers are integers. Okay. So numbers, so integers. These integers are denoted by I, and these numbers are, okay. So here 0 to that side, to the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that, so on. And to the left side, this side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, like that. So 0, and these are the, to the right side positive numbers, and this side, left side, negative numbers. And 0, negative numbers, positive numbers, all together are called integers. All together are called integers. And this integer numbers is denoted by I. Sometimes we can represent this number with Z also. The integer set is also denoted by Z. Mostly we denote it by I. Okay. Any numbers other than this numbers? Is there any type of numbers other than this? Suppose take some activity, do some activity here, some activity. As you know that these are natural numbers, these are whole numbers, and these are integers. And is the other numbers which are different from these three, different from these three number sets? Are there any other type of numbers which are different from these? So let us discuss with some example. Suppose take, as we know that this is winter season, and in Simla, a particular day, that the temperature of that Simla is recorded. So in a particular day, at morning 10 a.m., the temperature of Simla is 11 degrees Celsius, and at 12 a.m. 14 degrees Celsius, and 3 p.m. 17 degrees Celsius, and 7 p.m. 10 degrees Celsius. Now, so here, so our task is to calculate change in the temperature per hour. Here we got so many cases. So this is the first case. So from here to here, this is first case, and from here to here, second case, third case. We have to calculate, we have to find change in the temperature per hour. Case 1. So what is the case 1? 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. So timings 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. So time period, from this time period 12 minus 10 is equal to 2 hours. And temperature is 11 degree Celsius at 10 am and 14 degree Celsius at 12 am. Therefore, change in the temperature is equal to 14 minus 11 is equal to 3 degree Celsius. Now, we have to find change in temperature per hour. So, is equal to 4 degree Celsius by 2. Okay, 4 degree Celsius by 2. So, 3 by 2, we got a new number 3 by 2. So, this number is not belongs to natural number set, whole number set and integer. This is different from natural number, whole numbers and integers. See here, this is number line. So, on this number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that on right side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 on left side. So, this is 0. So, positive numbers, negative numbers. So, this is a number line. On this number line, what you see, all these are integers. So, between any two integers, if we take 0 and 1, between these two numbers, there are so many numbers, there are so many points between these. So, all these points represent rational numbers. How many rational numbers are there between 0 and 1? There are so many numbers. This 1.5 is between 1 and 2. Between 1.5 and 1, there is another number 1.25, and between these 2 points 1.5 and 2, 1.75. Okay. And between 1 and 1.25 there is another number. If you observe, if we observe 1 and 2, in between these 2 points we get so many numbers, those numbers are rational numbers. So, how many numbers are there between 1 and 2? There are many numbers. Due to that, we cannot write all the rational numbers. So, therefore, we write rational numbers as P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q naught is equal to 0. So, we write only its characteristics. Okay. Do this. Consider the following collection of numbers: 1, 1 by 2, minus 2, 0.5, 4 whole 1 by 2, minus 23 by 7, 0.125, 0, 4 by 7, 0.3 bar, 22, minus 5, 2 by 19. Write these numbers under appropriate category. We have to observe all these and we have to write all these numbers in appropriate category. What are the categories? Natural number category, whole numbers category, integers and rational numbers. So, we have to categorize all these numbers according to these categories. So, first observe 1. So, 1 is a natural number. So, you can write here, and 1 is also whole number, it is also present in whole number set. So, 1 is also we can write here, and 1 is also integer. Okay. Now, 1 is a rational number or not? Yes, it is rational number, because 1 can be written as 1 by 1 or 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 like that, 10 by 10, 5 by 5, 100 by 100 like that. So, 1 can be written in many ways like this. So, it is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q, this 1 and 1 are integers and this one is not 0. So, it satisfies the definition of rational number. So 1 is a rational number. So, 1 is also belongs to a rational number, 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2, not a natural number, whole number, not a whole number, not a integer also, it is only rational number. Okay. Now minus 2. Minus 2 is a negative number. So negative numbers present in only integer set. So minus 2 is integer number, and is minus 2 is a rational number or not? Yes, it is a rational number. Minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1 or minus 4 by 2 or minus 6 by 3, like that, minus 10 by 5 or 10 by minus 5, like that we can write in this way. So all these are rational numbers, and all these rational numbers are equal to 2, minus 2. Therefore minus 2 is also a rational number. Now 0.5. So this is the decimal number. This decimal number, okay, this decimal number 0.5. So this is 5 by 10, we can write 0.5 can be shown as 5 by 10. This is rational number. It is in the form of p by q, where p and q, this 5 and 10 are integers, and this 10 is not is equal to 0. It satisfies the rational number definition. So 0.5 is a rational number. 0.5 comes under rational number category. 4 whole 1 by 2, 4 whole 1 by 2. This is 4.5. So this 4.5 is not a rational number, not a whole number, not an integer. It is a rational number, because how? 4 whole 1 upon 2, 4.5. This can be written as 9 by 2. 4, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. So this 9 by 2 is in the form of p by q, where 9 and 2 are integers, and this 2 is not is equal to 0. So it is rational number. So 4 whole 1 upon 2 is rational number, and this minus 23 by 7, it is also rational number, minus 23 by 7, a rational number. And 0.125, it is also a rational number, like this, okay, 0.125. And 0 is not a natural number, 0 is whole number, 0 is a whole number, and 0 is also a integer, 0 is integer, and 0 is also a rational number, a rational number. Now 4 by 7, 4 by 7 is not a natural number, not a whole number, not an integer, it is a rational number, because it is in the form of p by q. And 0.3 bar, so 0.3 bar. So what is 0.3 bar? The 0.3 bar is also a rational number. That what is 0 by 3 bar? So that we will going to discuss later. So 0.3 bar, we will look it in detail in later. 23 is a natural number, 23 is a rational number, and it is integer also, whole number also, and also rational number. And minus 5 is not, it is a negative number, therefore only it is integer, we can write it is integer, and it is also rational number. And 2 by 19 is also a rational number. So like this, all these numbers are categorized, So what are the natural numbers among these? 1 and 22. These are the only 2 natural numbers in this group. And what are the whole numbers? 1, 0 and 22. So these are the whole numbers. And what are integers? 1, minus 2, 0, 22, minus 5. So 0 positive numbers, negative numbers. So, these are the integers and rational numbers. All these numbers are rational numbers. If you observe all these, every number is rational number. Every number is rational number. Okay. So, that is the thing we have to remember.